Hi guys, how to download and install GTA 5 on PC. Now open any web browser on your PC or laptop, search for Steam, and click the official Steam website. Using the wrong link can lead to fake login pages, so double check the URL. Use the search bar in the top right corner of the Steam website, type in GTA 5 Enhanced, and open the official game page. Here's a pro tip. Always check the publisher name to avoid buying the wrong version. Scroll down to the System Requirements section. This step is very important. Compare the minimum and recommended specs with your PC's RAM, processor, and graphics card. Skipping this could mean buying a game that won't even launch. Click Add to Cart, log in to your existing Steam account, or create a new one. Keep watching because the next part saves you money. Complete the payment process during a sale to get the best price possible. After the installation finishes inside the Steam client, launch the game and start playing.